Okay, they're asking for sine of 2a, but they give us just cosine of a, and they tell us where a is. Okay, so sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine of a times cosine of a. They give us cosine of a, so we need to figure out what sine of a is. Okay, well, cosine is negative 5 over 13, which is x over r. So that means x is 13, r is negative 5. We got to find out what y is, so we're going to use the Pythagorean identity. So r is equal to r squared, x squared plus y squared. I'm solving for y, so I'm going to move x over. R squared minus x squared is equal to y squared. So just y is plus or minus the square root of r squared minus x squared. So y is plus or minus the square root of 13 squared minus negative 5 squared. So plus or minus square root of 169 minus 25, which that's going to give us plus or minus the square root of 144. So that would be plus or minus 12. Since y is positive here, this is going to be a positive 12. Okay, so then we've got 2 times sine of a, that's going to be y over r, so that's going to be 12 over 13, times cosine of a, which is negative 5 over 13. Okay, so 2 times 12 times negative 5, all over 13 times 13. That's going to give you negative 120 over 169. And that would be your final answer. Okay, number 8 is asking us to use a sum to product identity given this information right here. So here's the formula for a sum to product identity with a sine minus a sine. So our A is going to be 15 degrees and our B is going to be 105 degrees. So this will be 2 times cosine of 15 plus 105 over 2 times sine of 15 minus 105 over 2. So that will be cosine of 120 over 2 times sine of negative 90 over 2. So that would be 60. And this would be negative 45. Okay, so then cosine of 60, that is going to be 1 over 2. Okay. Now sine's got a negative. Remember, sine is an odd function, so that negative is going to be pulled to the front. I'm going to pull that one to the front. And then we're just looking at sine of 45. So sine of 45 will be 1 over the square root of 2, which after you rationalize, that's going to be the square root of 2 over 2. Notice this 2 in this half will cancel each other out, and I'm left with negative square root of 2 all over 2 for my final answer.